Hey, this is Kalakail from Sunhouse. I'm here to talk about the new 1.7 Sensory Percussion update. We have some exciting new features, one of which I'm going to show you how to put to good use today. So maybe you've seen people on our Instagram feed or on YouTube using sensory percussion to control lights, which is a really amazing application for this system. But before this update, you couldn't do it super easily. You had to send MIDI into another program, use that software to shape the control message, and then use that to send to lights. But with 1.7, we've added a new feature called the envelope controller, which allows you to take a hit from the drum and send out a specific shape message to an effect or a CC knob, in this case for lights. So what we're going to do is use the new envelope controller, control a CC knob, which will send out a MIDI CC message, send it to this DMX box, which will then send it to the lights. So a very simple application is just to turn a light on and off with a given shape like this. So when I hit the drum, I'm getting this shape out, controlling CC knob 6, which is then being sent to the DMX box. But with sensory percussion, we can do a lot more because there's so much information spilling out of these drums. So we can use the envelope controller to control a light shape, but we can use all the other drums to control RGB values. So we're able to program each drum to send out a different RGB value to the light, so we can make different combinations of colors. So we have an example here where we have 6 kits all in a row, and a different gesture on each drum will control which kit I go to, and each kit has a different key, but also changes the color of the kits. So on this one, if I hit the kick drum, it flashes blue. So the kick drum is controlling the envelope of the light. So you only see the light when I'm hitting the kick drum, but each drum will control the color of the kick. So here we have blue. If I hit stick shot on the snare, we go to a different key and a different color. So in each of these, the drums are all setting the kick drum to the same RGB value. So in this case, it's kind of a purple color. But on the last 2 kits, each drum sets the kick to a different color. That's just one really simple example of using a single light and a single DMX channel of how sensory percussion can be used to control light shows. So you can imagine if you have multiple lights, maybe 1 light per drum, plus projections, plus anything else you can dream up. Sensory percussion can help you control some amazing live visuals.